Hello children, I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to start the fourth chapter of value education. The name of the chapter is Everyone Has Some Skills. So let's start the chapter. We all have some special skills, but some of us know it and some do not. Most of the people do not come to know their inner skills, especially during childhood. If we recognize our inner skills, we can develop them in a better way. So, student, we all know that we all have some special skills in us, but some of us know about it and some do not. And those people who know about it, they work on it, they make it as their hobby and try to develop it. But most of the people do not come to know about their inner skills or talent, especially during childhood. But if we recognize our hobbies during childhood, then we can develop them in a better way. If a child recognizes his or her inner skill, then he or she may be very efficient in it in the future, because he or she will get enough time to develop this skill. Yes, student, if we can recognize our inner skill during the childhood, then we have a sufficient time to develop it. We can explore more about it during the childhood. We can gain knowledge about it through our school, through our studies, through our friends, so we can develop it in a better way. You must have heard about Sachin Tendulkar, the most famous cricket player of the world. He knew that he would become a good cricketer when he was a school student. He began to practice cricket properly. He transformed his hobby into his career. His timely decision and sincere efforts made him the most popular cricket player. Students, as you all know about this Sachin Tendulkar, the most famous cricket player of India. He knew that he can become a good cricketer in the childhood. So, during childhood, he began to do practice more and more. He utilized his time on his hobby. So, he transformed his hobby into his career. And you all know his timely decision and sincere efforts made him the most famous cricket player. Study is no doubt very important. At this age, you should devote most of your time to your studies, because it is the medium that makes you know about the world and different fields in which you can do better. However, if you find a special skill in yourself, you should develop it as your hobby. You should also find other children with the same hobby. You should share your ideas with them. Gradually, you will become very much efficient in this special quality. You may also make a career in it in the future. Yes, students, no doubt at the childhood, study is most important. We should spend or devote our most of the time to our studies, because study is the only medium through which you can explore more about fields, or you can know about the world. However, if you find some special skill in yourself, then you should develop it. You should make it as a hobby and keep practice on it. You can share your ideas with your friends who have a same hobby. Maybe he can give you better ideas, or you can develop it in a very efficient way, and it can become your future also. So you should try to spend your quality time on your hobby because it will be profitable for you in the future. Here are some people that have earned a great name and fame in different fields. As first is Saina Nehwal. She is the famous badminton player. Next is Shreya Ghoshal. She is the singer, playback singer and music composer. Here is the Pankaj Advani. He is the billiard player. So now students, let's start a story. Let's take the example of A.R. Rahman, the world famous musician of India. He was born in Chennai on January 6, 1967. His father was a composer. He died when Rahman was a child. Rahman faced a lot of difficulties in his childhood, but he knew his inner skill. He knew that he could do better in music. Therefore, he joined the troupe of famous South Indian composer Ilaiyaraaja when he was just 11 years old. Yes, here we take the example of A.R. Rahman. He is the world famous musician of India. He was born in Chennai on January 6, 1967. His father was also a composer, but when Rahman was just a child, his father died. So during childhood, Rahman faced a lot of difficulties, but he knew his inner skill. He knew that he can do better in the music because music was his hobby. Therefore, he joined the troupe. Troupe means group of famous South Indian composer Ilaiyaraaja when he was just 11 years old. He later graduated from the Trinity College at Oxford University with the degree in Western classical music. He got his first break in the movie Rosa in 1991. Rosa's music got tremendous popularity and made A.R. Rahman known figure of music all across the country. Yes, Rahman graduated from the Trinity College at Oxford University with the degree in Western classical music. Also, he became very popular in country when he got his first break in the movie Rosa in 1991. With the music of this movie, he became the known figure all across the country. He is now one of the renowned music composers of the world. He composed the music for Oscar-winning film Slumdog Millionaire. He also got the Oscar award for his music in this film. Yes, he composed the music of the famous film that was Slumdog Millionaire, and he also got the Oscar award for music in this film. So students, you can see how Rahman achieved success by facing a lot of difficulties. So children, you should also find out your special skill. You should find out about your talent or hobby, and you should spend your quality time on your hobby. You should nurture your hobby or skills properly so that you can become an efficient and good person in the future. It will be very helpful if you recognize your hobby or talent now. So students, I hope you all understand this chapter. Thank you students.